Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. I'm just outside of Hanoi. I was chilling in Sapa for the last few days, but the weather wasn't so good, so I stayed home most of the time, just chilled a little bit, edited some video. And yeah, then I came back to Hanoi this morning, pimped up the bike a little, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how the bike looks now. So I got myself a new exhaust, a USB charger so I can charge my phone while I'm driving, and I also put some racing stripes on it to make it look cool as fuck. So yeah, I think the bike is ready now for the almost 2,000 kilometer long trip to Ho Chi Minh. But you know, the first task was getting out of the city in Hanoi, and the traffic in Hanoi is really bad. That was a little hectic, but I'm glad I made it out of the city, and now I'm on the more rural side. And yeah, here it's really nice driving. First stop for today will be Ninh Binh, so see you guys there. So I made it to Ninh Binh, or to be precise to Tam Coc, which is a small town near Ninh Binh. And yeah, the landscape's really beautiful here, and I also stay at this beautiful hostel with a pool right here. Yeah, the pool is really nice, and the best thing is I'm staying at this hostel for free. So yeah, I think I'm gonna show you guys like how this place looks around me. So we made it on top of this mountain right in time for sunset right behind me, and yeah, there's this huge dragon just on top, and yeah, the view is quite nice as well. Check this out. So people also call this place Ha Long Bay on land, and I think that's a pretty accurate description because, yeah, you see these mountains? They look pretty similar to the ones in Ha Long Bay. And now imagine if it was water instead of rice fields. I think that's pretty much the same, right? Do you hear this? Sounds amazing. Yeah, anyway, it's kind of a sketchy place here. I think that's it for today. We're like on top of this mountain. Good place to say goodbye. maybe I'll check out some other places around Ninh Binh tomorrow, so see you guys then. Good morning everyone, or should I say afternoon? Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock now, but I got up this morning and went to this national park called Trang An. But yeah, I didn't bring my big camera because it had no battery. But anyway, I took some nice drone clips there, so yeah, check them out. So yeah, that's it for Ninh Binh. Beautiful landscapes. I can really recommend this place. You should check it out once you're in Vietnam. And now I'm gonna drive further south this afternoon, and yeah, hope I'll make it until Vinh. And then I'll probably do the next video from the national park in Phong Nha. So see you guys then. Okay, 2 things. First of all, because my phone broke down in Vietnam, I no longer have track over all my expenses, which means I can't provide you with the exact amount of money I've spent on each and every category. So yeah. Second thing, I got accepted for university this fall, which means I'm gonna go back to Switzerland in September. And although I knew this could happen because I was on a waiting list, I did really not expect this. But yeah, I'm glad anyway. But it just means that I'm gonna not travel until the budget is over. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the time and not do the calculation anymore. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.